At the University of Bolton, we're very keen to make sure our students are involved in every aspect of the design process, including validation testing at the end of their development and manufacturing. So to do that in a minute, we have a standard tensile test machine and an impact test machine. The plastometer is a welcome addition to our existing capability because it allows me to give all of our students access to actually having a go and doing some testing, doing some analysis, and analysing the processes that they've put on their material. So if a student has gone through a manufacturing process, or they want to do some failure analysis and they want to look at minute scale performance of their material, that allows all of my students to get access. And that's really important, because if you don't get that practical involvement, you don't get that practical experience and exposure to high-end equipment, then you're not going to be as employable as some of your competitor students. One area of great interest for me with the plastometer is in additive manufacturing. We have metallic powder bed fusion on site, and I really do see that this machine will add great value in parameter development, material development. What I'm able to do is make small adjustments to my parameter set, make very small test parts, polish, and then get a test result to then allow me to make quick, rapid changes, and I would imagine parameter development will go from days to hours with this machine.